Hi there, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's continue to learn Developing Chinese Elementary Comprehensive Course Number 2, Lesson 7. 我要去埃及 I want to go to Egypt. 我要去埃及 Okay, so introduction. 去埃及是我小时候的理想，虽然这只是一个小小的理想，但是为了实现它，我竟努力了20年。Okay, going to Egypt was my childhood dream, though it was a very small dream. It took me 20 years to realize it. So let's look at vocabulary. And first of all, listen to the audio.
7课，我要去埃及。词语学习：小学、得、世界、地图、轮、烧、洗澡、围、浴巾、浴室、冲、jiao、干、妥。
Okay, so let's explain this one. So first one, 小学 primary school, 小学 and look at vocabulary at right hand, this one. So 中学 middle school, 中学初中 so the same middle school. 中学 equals to 初中 and this one high school 高中 and then 大学 college university. So let's read again. 小学 primary school 中学初中高中大学 Okay, next one 得 so it's a verb 得 get obtain win. For example, 我得了第一名 so I won the first prize, right? The first place, sorry. 我得了第一名 Okay, next one 世界 world 世界 world and this one on the right hand vocabulary 国际 so 国际的 international 全球 all over the world 全球全世界 next one 地图 map 地图世界地图 next 轮 take turns. For example, 轮到 someone. So it's your turn. 轮到你了 So the same meaning in other words and change this one. So 换 So 轮 equals to 换 For example, 轮换 So change one by one, like 轮换 change one by one. 换 so means change. 轮 means turn, take turns. Next one, 烧 boil, burn, 烧 洗澡 have a bath, 洗澡 So 洗澡 here another expression. So 浴室 bathroom 浴室 So you need to take a shower or take bath in the bathroom, right? 浴巾 bath towel 浴巾 Next one. Here, this one. 浴巾. Okay, next. 为 ripe. 为 Next, 浴室 bathroom. This one. 冲 rush. 叫 shout. Cry. 叫 So 叫 and 喊 jiao han. So sometimes yelling, yelling like this one. So jiao han, that make big noise like this one. Jiao han. And next, 干 do work 干 Okay, so from the first one, let's read this one. 小学的世界地图轮烧洗澡为浴巾浴室冲叫干 Okay, so next let's look at this text and read the text. So first audio.
走进课文。我要去埃及。小学的时候，我考试得了第一名。老师给了我一本世界地图。我太喜欢那本地图了，一回到家就看了起来。那一天，轮到我给全家人烧洗澡水，我就一边烧水一边看地图。我最喜欢的国家是埃及。长大以后，我一定要去埃及。我看着埃及地图想。突然，一个人围着浴巾。
Okay, let's learn this paragraph. So, 小学的时候 when I was in primary school, right? 小学的时候，我考试得 won 得了第一名。So the first place, right? For in the exam, 老师给了我一本 major word 世界地图 give me a map. So 什么 map? World map, right? 我太喜欢那本地图了。一回到家就看了起来。So 一 and 2. Let's learn this grammar. So this one, verb, a DJ, adjective, add 起来，看了起来。So this one indicates that an action or a change starts and continues. So 起来 action or a change starts or continues. 看了起来 so 看起来 So that means start to look the map, right? Start to reading the map. And next one, 他们大声唱起来。唱起来 means start to sing, right? 唱起来，热起来 starts getting hot. 热起来。笑了起来 she starts to smile. So 起来 if there is an object and it should be placed between 起来 For example 唱 sing 唱歌 sing a song. So begins or starts to sing a song we can say 唱起 歌来 okay, this one. 歌 is an object we need to put in the middle of 起来. So complicated, right? Okay, so next one. 查 check 起字典 dictionary 查起字典来 next one. So okay, so 依旧 this one. That means when I arrived at home. When I arrived home, so I started to read the map. 一回到家 so arrived home 就看了起来 then that means the other action is continued, right? Okay, so 看了起来 next one. 那一天轮 it's my turn, right? 轮到我 it's my turn. 给全家人 whole family 烧 boil or burn 烧洗澡水 so the water for bath taking bath. 我就一边烧水一边看地图 so I was reading the map while boiling the or burning the water. 我最喜欢的国家是埃及 My favorite country was Egypt. 长大以后我一定要去埃及。我看着埃及地图想。Okay, so this is this paragraph, and let's continue to listen.
从浴室里冲出来，对着我大叫：“你在干什么呢？火都灭了。”是爸爸，他最讨厌做事不认真的人。我说：“对不起，我在看地图呢。”爸爸生气地说：“看什么地图？快烧火！”我在看埃及地图呢。我小声说：“爸爸。”
Okay, so I think in this paragraph there are many new words. So I think next lesson, let's continue to learn. Okay, so please do your homework because there are a lot of exercise here. 选词 to choose right words and 1, 2, 3. This one. Right. Pay attention to this one. So let's check your new words, right? All new words. It's very good exercise. So thank you for your listening and see you next time. Bye bye.